Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Welcome back in the chemistry lecture of 12th science. Last time we have seen about the question paper format of the board exam with the mark 70 and 30 marks practical. So we have seen the format of 70 marks. Now we will see one of the question paper, how exactly the question paper will be look. As in all, you know very well, there is 70 mark theory question will be asked, out of which actually with option they will ask the question of 98 marks, means your score will be out of 98 marks. Try to understand, that means out of 98 marks at least 50 marks will be easy. So at least if you score 50 marks, that means you will be getting 50 out of 70, and from the practical you will be scoring the marks, so ultimately the percentage will moving ahead. So let's see, in all we have 4 section. The paper will be asked, question paper will be in the 4 section, A, B, C, D. All questions are compulsory, means question number 1, question number 2. In this way it is a compulsory questions, and in which they have given option in these sub questions, means in these sections. Draw neat label diagram and balance the chemical equation wherever necessary. Question paper consists of 31 question divided into 4 sections, that is A, B, C, D. Start each section on new page. Remember carefully, start each section on new page. Figure to be right indicated full marks, means whatever is given in the right side, the marks which is indicating full marks with respect to a question. Use of log table if necessary, which is provided from the board. Use of calculator is not allowed strictly, and the digital watch is also not allowed. Kindly don't wear the digital watch during examination. The certain constant value they have given, that is gas constant R is equal to 8.314 joule per Kelvin per mole. Atomic weight has been given, hydrogen equal to 1 gram per mole with respect, and many other atoms, atomic mass of the element has been given. Carbon has 12 unified mass, nitrogen 14, oxygen 16, chlorine 35.5. Actually in this it is printed, whatever the atomic mass has been printed in your question paper, you have to substitute that. Now question number 1, you know very well, question number section A comprises of 18 marks, 10 fill in the blanks and 8 one sentence answer. Let's see. Now over here we will just relate the question with respect to the chapters. Now 10 questions fill in the blank, which is compulsory over here, and 2 numericals in the question number 1 as it is said, so it is compulsory. Now this is first fill in the blank, that is from the chapter number 1, due to Frenkel defect the density of the ionic solid test, and then which of the following aqueous solution will have highest boiling point, that is from the solution, second chapter. The third MCQ from the third chapter. The number of electron that has total charge of 965 coulomb is, that is from electrochemistry 4th chapter. The reaction, that is 3Cl minus with gives you 3ClO3 minus, which is from the chemical kinetic chapter. Likewise they have given in the sequence, which of the following is used for the preparation of C divers. Now this question is from the P block element, that is groups of elements of group 16, 17, 18. Then which ligands you know very well, complex, that is coordination compound. Component of the Ni-chromium alloy, this one is, I had DNF block element, that is DNF block element. Components of Ni, that is alloy. Which of the following is primary alkyl halide, that is halogen derivative from halogen derivative. Teflon is the chemically inert due to the presence of. Teflon is chemically inert due to the presence of. In Teflon, there is CF bond. I am not discussing the answer, just I am relating the chapter. So you can be having an idea how they are asking the question. Now here, see, we have in all 16 chapter. Now 10 MCQs has been given. Now this question is from polymer. So in between other questions are not asked. Other question they have not asked from the chapter. So they will be asking the question in the 1 marks or 2 marks. So it is not fixed that this chapter compulsory is for MCQ or 1 sentence or 2 sentence. Question number 2. Answer the following question. Now methyl bromide plus OH gives you methyl alcohol. The rate law is given over here. That is chemical kinetic. This question is from chemical kinetic. How many electron will have a total charge of 1 coulomb? Electrochemistry, second question. Third question, the pK value of HCl and HI is from the chapter ionic equilibria. Explain why GD3 plus is colorless. This question is from the lanthanide and actinide, that is in D and F block element. Mention 2 application of the coordination compound, that is coordination compound. Write the structure of polyisoprene, that is polymer. Very simple it is. Complete the following reaction. This chlorobenzene react with magnesium. Ultimately it is very simple that magnesium will be coming in between this bond. In phenyl and chlorine, between magnesium will sit, as magnesium has 2 valencies. So magnesium will sit over here. So it will be phenyl magnesium chloride. A very simple reaction. Represent the cell of the following given by the given reaction. We have to represent the cell. This is from electrochemistry. Now as you have seen, this is 8 question. These all 8 questions are compulsory. All 8 questions are compulsory. As in question number 1, I said that 2 numerical will be there. See these 2 numerical. Question number 3 and question number 4. In this way, very simple numerical they will ask. The formula for pH you know very well. Minus log of H plus ion concentration. H plus ion concentration is 10 raised to minus 3 mole. In question number 2, 1 numerical will be asked. That is, in question number 2, second is the numerical. This is the compulsory numerical what you have to solve. Moving ahead into the section B from the new page, you have in all 12 question. In section B you have 12 question, out of which you have to solve 8. Any 8. 8 2s are 16 is 2 marks. 16 marks will be there. In which there may be asking a numerical, but all the numerical you can put in option. You can see what is the effect of the boiling point of the water if 1 mole of methyl alcohol is added to 1 ml of the water. Why? What are buffer and how they are prepared? Chapter number ionic equilibria, and what is the effect of boiling point if 1 mole of methyl alcohol is added. This is from solution. Fifth question, state Hess law of constant in summation thermodynamic. It is from chemical thermodynamic. Hess law. Illustrate with an example. Question number 6, explain why an aqueous NaCl is not used in the electrolysis of NaCl. This 6th question is not so much important, but you can prepare from electrochemistry. From 7th one, redox reaction occur in the galvanic cell. That is, this is a numerical what they have asked, a very simple one from electrochemistry. Write the rate law of the following statement. Again, it's very simple. Rate law you can write chemical kinetic. How does SO2 react with chlorine and sodium hydroxide from the chapter of group 16, 17 and 18. Write the electronic configuration of holmium DNF block element. Calculate the effective atomic number, that is EAN. What I have explained you, how to calculate EAN, effective atomic number, which is of 2 marks, again 11th one. Why tetrahedral complex do not exhibit geometrical isomerism, again from coordination compound. Write the reaction involved in the preparation of nylon 6,6 polymer chapter, very simple. How is butonic acid prepared from the alkyl halide, from halogen chapter. Now you can see over here how much question you can eliminate. See, if suppose you want to put in the option, how you can put in the option. Say for example, this first one, suppose question number 3 you don't know, then if you are unable to write question number 6, and suppose if you are unable to solve this question number 7 numerical one, and if suppose you leave the reaction of ninth one, means other all you can do, means all 16 marks you can score, 4 you can eliminate. In this way it is very easy to score 16 marks. Now section C, in section C again 8 marks are there, and the questions are over here in presence of you from 12 out of 8 you have to solve. That means again 4 question you can put in the option. Some challenging question also they will be asking. In all 24, that means 8 3s are 24, each question of 3 marks. See from the first chapter how they will ask. Now 3 marks question, how they can combine and ask, try to understand. Define anisotropy solid state, and why ionic solid are hard and brittle. This question is very much important. They can ask this question, why ionic solids are hard and brittle. So this is of 2 marks, why ionic solid are hard and brittle, this is of 2 marks, and define anisotropy is of 1 mark. So in this way they can split, and even they can ask the question from another chapter also, 1 marks from one chapter and 2 marks from another chapter. Moving ahead, what is the effect of pressure, question number 16, on the solubility of gas? Question from solution. So this is the 1 mark question, and derive an expression showing the relationship between molar mass of solute and lowering in vapor pressure, that is delta P. Very important derivation from the solution. So question number 16, how they asked 2 marks and 1 marks question. Question 17, an organic compound A having molecular mass C4H10O does not react with sodium metal on hydrolysis by dilute sulfuric acid, gives only one organic compound B. The organic compound B on heating with red phosphorus and iodine gives compound C. The compound C can be also be obtained from A on heating excess of HI. Identify A, B, C, D. So this is a challenging type question what they can ask to you. If your halogen derivative of alkane is perfect, so you can answer this. Halogen derivative. Next, question number 18. Explain the mechanism of alkaline hydrolysis of tertiary butyl bromide. Again, this question is from halogen derivative. That what we can say that SN1 mechanism. Question number 19. On the basis of valence bond theory, VBT, explain the nature of bonding in COF6 3-, cobalt hexafluoride. So this will be from the valence bond theory. What 5 to 6 example I have explained about the valence bond theory. I know that valence bond theory was failed, but we have to explain the bonding and the magnetic property and spin, whatever I have explained to you. Here they have said that explain the nature of bonding. So what are the nature of bonding we have to explain. Question number 20. An aqueous solution containing this much of non-volatile compound in this much amount of water freezes at this much Kelvin. Determine the molar mass of solute from solution chapter. Very simple numerical. That is why I am always saying that don't miss the numerical. It's very simple. What is the molecular solid from solid state? If 3 element XYZ in a cubic solid with the X atom at the corner, Y atom at the cube center and Z atom at the face centered, what will the formula of the compound? I repeat again. X atom at the corner and Y atom in the cube, Z atom at the face. What is the formula? Write the formula of the compound. This is from solid state. You can write the answer. Again, it is distributed in 1 marks and 2 marks. 1 marks and 2 marks. Explain the relationship between ionic product and solubility product to predict whether a precipitate will form when 2 solutions are mixed. This is also a question from the ionic equilibria. It's very simple. If you have studied carefully. What is the heat of atomization? Chemical thermodynamic, very simple definition. Obtain the expression of the work done in the chemical reaction. Very nice, 2 marks question. Explain the construction and working of SHE, that is standard hydrogen electrode. Very simple. I have explained very nicely. Explain the trend in the following atomic property of the group 16. Group 16 element is very important. This 25 question is very important. You have to prepare 24, 25. Atomic radius and annihilation enthalpy and electronegativity. Question number 26. What is mean by diamagnetism and paramagnetism? Give one example of each of the di and paramagnetism of the transition metal element. Very simple. From the D and F block element. Now over here, see the numerical problem what they have asked, that is of the question number 20, and some that is 21 also you can consider. So this you can eliminate 4 question out of which you can eliminate. So it is very simple to score out of. Now in the section D, attempt any 3. This is the last section of your paper of 12 marks. One question 4 marks. 4 3s are 12. So each question is of 4 marks. 3 questions are there. Out of 5 you have to solve 3 questions. Question number 27. Given the following equation, delta H, heat of the reaction at 25 degrees Celsius, that is standard condition. So they have, this is a numerical problem what they have given with respect to chemical thermodynamic chapter. And see how they have splitted. How they have splitted the 4 mark question. Draw the structure of octahedral void, 1 mark question. 3 plus 1. In this way they have splitted the question. 28. Give 2 uses of chlorine, 1 marks. What is the rate determining step? Slow step. This is 1 marks again, 1 plus 1. Explain with a suitable example. This will be carrying 2 marks. So 1, 1, 2. Or they can consider as give 2 uses of chlorine. So 2 mark question. This is depend upon the board that they will carry 2 marks or 1 marks. So better you, whatever they have asked, you have to write, fulfill their questions. 2 uses, so you have to write 2 uses. So maybe this is 2 marks. What is rate determining step? 1 marks. Explain with suitable example, 1 marks. Or the explanation will be of 2 marks. That board will decide. How does 29 question now? How does magnetic moment, that is mu, relate to the unpaired electron in the transition metal? In the transition metal, 1 marks. Arrange the following acid in the increasing order of the acidic strength. They have given an example of acid and we have to arrange in the increasing order of acidic strength. Acetic acid, chloroacetic acid, propanoic acid, formic acid, 1 marks. How does an acetic acid react with PCl5? Very simple reaction from halogen derivative. So acetic acid, acetyl chloride will form and the byproduct will be phosphorus oxychloride and HCl. So this question again 1 marks. And which nanomaterial is used in sunscreen lotion? So this is 1 marks each, 4 question they have. This is from last chapter, 16th chapter, nano, green chemistry and nano material. Explain the formation of the peptide bond. What is the denaturation of protein? Right to industrial application of the enzymes. Now see, they have asked from the polymer chapter peptide bond, from the biomolecule chapter. Explain the formation of peptide bond. Biomolecule from protein, that is C double bond O NH. What is denaturation of protein? Denaturation of protein is nothing but what? Breaking of the secondary structure. Uncoiling. Write the 2 industrial application. This is 2 marks, 1 marks, 1 mark. 1 plus 2. The last question. Write the formula to calculate percentage economy, that is percentage efficiency, 2 marks. What is write the formula for calculation, 1 marks. How phenol is converted to picric acid, 1, salicylic acid, 2. So that means this question, write a formula to calculate, that means you have to explain the atomic efficiency. So in all, this is 4 marks. So phenol is one reaction 1 marks, picric acid formation from phenol 1 marks, salicyl aldehyde means that the reaction is Kolb's acid, salicyl aldehyde, that is Riemer-Tiemann reaction, because in Kolb's reaction salicylic acid is formed. A Riemer-Tiemann reaction, this preparation of salicyl aldehyde from phenol is Riemer-Tiemann reaction. And picric acid is prepared by nitration of phenol 2,4,6-trinitrophenol, picric acid. So in this way you can put 2 questions in option. Anyway, if you don't know the numerical, completely numerical, you can leave. Other theory question you have to attempt, and from here also you can leave one of the question. So it's very simple that you can put the numerical in option, but my suggestion is that you please go ahead with the numerical, because theory question is so much complicated, or it may be an applicative, maybe you are unable to solve. So that is why it is helpful to you to score the marks in numerical. Next time we will be discussing a new paper with respect to the answers also. Thank you.